everybody to stand up for the prayer.
Record.
Let us pray. Father in heaven, thank you for bringing us together safely. As we prepare for this meeting, we ask that you prepare our hearts and lead us through this day. May we set aside our own agendas and seek what you desire for us to accomplish during this meeting. Please direct our thoughts and guide our discussion. Help us to be attentive and respectful of one another's input and to work as a team. We ask that you grant us clarity of mind and lead us to helpful solutions. In Jesus' name.
Okay, good morning everyone. And welcome to the Prebidding Conference of 4 Civil Works Project, 3 flood control and 1 road projects. To begin with, may I request the Pax Secretariat for the reading of attendance and the declaration of the following.
Good morning to all of us. Attendance for this morning's Prebidding Conference for 2025 infrastructure projects with contract ID number 5KF008, 0020, 0021, and 0022. From the Bid and Awards Committee, of the 5 members, 4 are present. From the Technical Working Groups, 5 members are present. From the Pax Secretariat, 4 members are present. We have also presenters from the Planning and Design section. And from the contractors, we have 3 construction firms, contractors attended in this morning's Prebidding Conference. Mr. Chair, these are all attendees in today's Prebidding. I now declare that the bank is informed.
Thank you, Nanay Nila. So, may I know of the presenter? You may take the floor now. Thank you.
Once again, good morning everyone. Today is October 29, 2024, and welcome to our Prebidding Conference. In behalf of Engineer Percy Nadia, I'm here to present one road project under Convergence and Institution Support Program. The project has a contract ID of 25JF008, has a title of construction, improvement of access roads leading to declared tourism destination, tourism road infrastructure program for NRG leading to Pasay Coast, Barangay Basilan, Kitay, Zamboanga, Sibugay. Has an appropriation of 12,639,000. And it has a project duration of 76 calendar days. It has an approved budget for the contract of 12,386,220. The funding source is under the proposed FY 2025 DPWH infrastructure program based on National Expenditure Program order. The project location is at Barangay Basilan, Kitay, Zamboanga, Sibugay. Invitation na po sa pinipili po ng project. Has a license category of CMD and a size range of small D. Ang project, na-divided siya sa dalawa na segment, segment 1 and segment 2. The beginning of the segment 1 is 1999 plus 558 is that ends at 1999, 872.63 nasa length of 340.63. So nasa ilang ay may existing PCCT then
Basta importante sila.
The segment begins at the station of 1999, 956.05 and ends at 2000 plus 160. It has a length of 203.95 and the total length of our project is 518.58 meters. The typical runway section is has a width of 6.10 and it has a widening at a certain station at our widening. Then for our they cannot be proposed stone was also shape. Then for our drainage, we propose 9-10 mm diameter pipe culvert for the drainage. For our snow protection, we propose grouted riprap for a certain station. For our summary of quantities, the part A is for the facilities for the engineer, part B, other general requirements, part C, earthworks, part D, base course, and part E, surface course, and part G, drainage and snow protection, and part H for the secondary structures. Department orders are shaded and programming, material source map, minimum equipment requirement, and manpower requirement. The minimum equipment requirement is for our earthmoving equipment, we have a bulldozer, one payloader, and one motorized road grader. Then for the compaction, we use a vibrator roller and blade compactor. Then for our excavating equipment, we have one solar 220 SC3 and one wheel mounted. And for our completing equipment, we use one complete shredder, one bagger mixer, and 4 transit mixers. And for our handling, we have 2 dump trucks, 1 cargo service truck, 1 boom truck, one water truck or truck, then 1 loaded trailer. For our miscellaneous equipment, we have one chainsaw, 2 mounted bike vibrator, and 1 complete saw and 1 power cutter. For the plants, we have a matching plant. And for others, we have 1 applicator machine, knitting machine, total station, and a mechanized bed seeder machine, total of 30 equipments. For our manpower requirement, this is a requirement for our respective bidders. For the personnel of project engineer, dapat ano siya, bigyan na activities siya ng DPWH. 1 engineer, 1 DPWH accredited materials engineer, laboratory technician, 44 unskilled personnel, 12 skilled personnel, 1 service driver, 1 security personnel, 1 safety officer, 1 health officer, total of 65 personnel. For our material source map, we utilize Barabalo for item development and for our fine works strategies at Manzana. For the standardization of construction duration of the DPWH project, it is under the Department Order number 54 series of 2012. We base our guidelines Department Order. For the mandatory use of joint equipment machine for seizing joints on complete equipment, this is especially our project is not completing. We have this Department Order under number 80 series of 2016. For our implementation of social and environmental management system operational, this is under Department Order number 159 series of 2022. This is a requirement of our This is under Department Order Number 116, Series of 2018. Gender Muslim. We have a Department Order Number 130, Series of 2016. Guidelines for the implementation of the provision of Public Act Number 6685 and Public Act Number 9710 or the Magna Carta for the women. That concludes my presentation for clarification and question.
Ang clarification na kanina is dahil doon kasi men, ang isa 200 plus, ang isa 300 plus, dahil gikam na existing na simento kung wala ilang dahil na sa wala. Thank you.
Mr. Chairman, one question to me. Regarding the construction of Prebidding Road, previous plan is construction of plant and building. First one any more questions before we proceed? Thank you, Engineer DPWH. I go on the next presenter, Engineer Michael Nalahan, for the 3 flood control projects. Since they are preparing, just want to inform everybody that this pre-bidding conference was scheduled this afternoon. So since our entrance conference did not commence this morning, so it might be commencing this afternoon. So we take advantage to conduct a pre-bidding conference. So sorry for the short notice.
So, once again, good morning. My name is Kenneth Lord Dalao of the Planning and Design Section. We will be presenting 3 flood control projects. First is Control ID 25JM 0020 construction of river wall along Sibugay River, Phase 3, Barangay Insulaw, Barangay Parong, Sibugay, Zamboanga, Sibugay. The second is 25JM 0021, which is the construction of river wall, Barangay Balagon, Sibugay, Zamboanga, Sibugay. And lastly, 25JM 0022, construction of river wall, Barangay Kabanga, Sibugay, Zamboanga, Sibugay. So the first project is from Barangay Minsulao with appropriation of 80 million with a duration of 284 calendar days and approved budget for contract of 77,200,000. So the funding source is from our National Expenditure Program of 2025. So as you can see, it is under CPAP, Flood Mitigation Structures, Protecting Public Infrastructure and Facilities. So the three projects we show as here. Next, please. Next. Okay. So for the project location, our project is located at Barangay Minsulao CI. So from the project title, it is stated that from Minsulao to Parok. So currently, the phase of the project is Barangay Minsulao. So it is balisupay siya or continuing from the previous year project, from the GAA 2024 project of from the Minsulao. So it is continued. So as you can see, the project is located in this area. So the beginning sa taas na bed, so coordinates para malocate ng project. So license category medium A, size range medium A, and license category B. Single largest project of allowable radius of about 250 million. So for the station limits, it's beginning at station 0, ending at station 247 for a total length of 247 meters. Next, so later na lang we'll discuss ang typical section since for three projects it is all the same. So for the next project, from Balago, the appropriation is 100 million and 316 calendar days for the duration with ABC of 96,500,000. So for this project, the location is at Barangay Balago CI. So the same with the first project, it is continuing from the previous phase. So mahulog na phase 2 ni siya from supay sa katong 2022 project na which is with the same title from Balago CI. Next. So the same medium A, license category B. Next. So for the project limits, it is beginning at station 00, ending at station 0 plus 344 with a total length of 344 meters. So the next project from the river wall from Barangay Kamana with appropriation of 50 million with 207 calendar days for its duration and then 49 million for the ABC. So the location, bali, akpak lang sa atong project na to sa Balago. So, supay lang ito siya or continuing lang siya from the previous 2022 project. So, bali phase ko siya. So, the same size range. So, beginning at station 0, ending at station 0 plus 179 with a length of 174 meters. So, here I will be discussing the typical section. So, for this year, as per advice and for discussion with our assistant district engineer, we will be utilizing this typical section for flood control. So, mainly it is
So if ever pagkawas ninyo din yung question, pagkawas na questions, you can visit Nagalaw at Engineer Level planning design section anytime from 8 to 5. So, may I know here announcement from the Secretariat?
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Reminder lang sa mga contractor na mga sa Prebidding. Ato ang mga technical o financial dapat kumpleto na ang documents. Nakayakan na checklist, please na lang dito dapat sa inyo ang mga checklist. Kaya kaso, pwede na ito na-chance ng mga technical. Kung hindi kumpleto ang inyong documents kay more insufficient grounds na sa automatic disqualification. Then, ang inyong mga project engineer nga i-pledge sa project, dapat accredited na siya sa DPWH na itong qualification. related lang.
BO 148, Series of 2024, regarding sa mga project engineers, so dapat ang inyong i-trade sa inyong PE, sa project is DPWH
Reinforced concrete, repentant or lying in handling of embankment na support or parang foundation yan. And then sa bottom, near the riverbank, we'll be using structural sheet pile. So it varies. For our two projects from Balago and Tamama, we will be having 6 meters structural sheet pile since it is just tributary river. So with regards sa Minsola project, for the first project, we will be utilizing 9 meters because it is from the mainstream of the Sibugay River. So as you can see, this is our structure. We have item 1702 for structural excavation, 1704 for selected barrows. There is a middle part for the main for the embankment. So explain lang ako, ang embankment na level sa 1704. So as per discuss with the so kana atong level na to na bali maabot siya sa flood level. So murag average flood level. So sa taas ana murag pa na selected barrow. So sa bottom man, as you can see, murag natay settlement na riprap class B, which is the item 1710. So para it is 0.6 meter thick kay para sa settlement since pag mag-impacta, usually compress mo or settle mo yung ito yuta kay knowing na it is riverbank, so bumukin ang yuta dyan. So naghatag ng settlement na 0.6 para medyo liquid siya. And then, next, I will be highlighting this part, dililapit sa left part sa structure, sa sheet pile, below sa popping sa sheet pile. So, makita niyo natin naglabaw niya na still items sa detect. So, isa-suggest ni ate para maiwas ang scouring dito sa itong sheet pile. So, para hindi makapenetrate ang tubig dito sa sulod sa ito. So, muna siya natin. So, auto 405 for the main flood control structure. And then, 5 meter width ang top. So, next. So this is the typical section for sheet pile. So we're using SKSP2 na sheet pile mounting sectional properties. So atong ina-use is 55 kilograms per meter na sheet pile. So 400 mm ang hangin. And then sa details, sa foundation sa riverside, kanina yung sheet pile, 0.6 by 0.8, and then 1 meter by 0.4 sa landside. Structural concrete. So, siguro na nila kapalit, no? Na nila kapalit sa itong windows. The quantities shown from this presentation are also consistent dito sa inyong document. So, wala na changes. So, please, if may picture, kapalit na. So, muna na yung items ngayon. So, this part, I will be discussing department orders associated with programming. Siguro na-discuss na yung engineer level idea. So, I will just have a So, minimum equipment requirement, this is for flood control projects na minimum equipment requirement. So, dozer, reloader, grader, so importante nga na yung katong sir, clarification, I would like to apologize for wala nililisa na sheets. So, please do follow kato na lang nasa na copy na i-provide sa inyo. So, sorry. So, for the manpower requirements, i-highlight nyo na mo from Department Order 148, which is guidelines on accreditation and assignment of contractors and consultant project engineers. So, we're requiring DPWH accredited project engineers. So, as per explain ni Engineer Patrick yung last na bidding. So, sa inyong technical, you must attach itong accreditation sa DPWH nga certificate or ID. So, and one genetic engineer, and let's say DPWH accredited materials engineer. So, next is one technician, foreman, and then 80 skilled personnel with 32 unskilled personnel with 32 skilled personnel. So, one service driver, one security personnel, one safety officer, and one health officer. With a total of 121. So, same sa discuss ni Engineer Demos, material source map. Okay. So you may raise your questions now if any questions, or we can approach me sa planning and design section or kuha ka number. So to start, I will be addressing the question raised by Engineer Del Pilar regarding the project title. The question is, anong construction or river wall ang title, correct sir? Flood control structure. So to answer that question, sir, it's just project titling lang, sir. With regards sa itong GAA, naman po sa type of work dito sa site na naka-indicate na ang type of work niya or PAP is construction of flood control structure along river basin.
Engineer Andalamos answer is flood control of wood is general na drainage system is also considered as flood control. So kaning title specific na din siya. Now, it's up to kung sa maintenance na may repair o pwede po flood control, wala problema na because it's considered as a flood control. Kaso lang, hindi specific na yun ang central office na mag-title sa mga flood control projects na ito.
Diba siguro, construction of river wall at Kalentana, hindi kay dagat pa. Dito rin sila papa.
Actually, ang po pwede po sa ating na pwede ng practical as long as hindi siya makakabok through that wall.
So, okay. So, any other questions? Sila, sir. Sir.
Selected lang na
Control, sir. Yes, sir. So, any other questions? Si Sir Tata.
Morning, sir. Alam ko, sir, sa landside lang, sir, namin. Wala sa
So, sa land sector, wala na kasi power. So, any other questions? Si Sir Tata, any question?